Amazon Sidewalk is a shared, low bandwidth network that automatically extends the range of your smart devices by using a small portion of your internet bandwidth. It's enabled by default on many Amazon Echo and Ring devices, creating a mesh network that allows your devices to communicate over greater distances. The Sidewalk ecosystem connects various IoT devices through gateway devices like Echo speakers and Ring cameras, which then communicate with Amazon's cloud services. Sidewalk uses low-energy Bluetooth and 900 MHz radio signals to transmit data over much greater distances than traditional Wi-Fi connections. Devices like tile trackers for finding lost items and the Denova Detect natural gas alarm can now connect and function over much greater distances using the Sidewalk network. However, Sidewalk raises significant privacy concerns. While Amazon uses 3 layers of encryption for all transmissions, the system is enabled by default without explicit user consent. Privacy experts and advocates strongly recommend that users opt out of Sidewalk if they have concerns about data collection, potential misuse, or partnerships with law enforcement agencies. Understanding these privacy implications is crucial for making an informed decision about whether to keep Amazon Sidewalk enabled on your devices. There are 2 main ways to disable Amazon Sidewalk: through the Alexa app or the Ring app. Both methods are straightforward and take just a few taps. Method 1, using the Alexa app. Open your Alexa app and follow these steps. First, tap on More in the bottom navigation. Next, tap on Settings, then Account Settings, and finally Amazon Sidewalk. Each step takes you deeper into the privacy controls. Finally, toggle the Amazon Sidewalk switch to Off. The interface will show you the current status and allow you to disable it with a simple tap. Method 2, using the Ring app. Open your Ring app and navigate to the Control Center. Look for the Sidewalk option in the Settings menu. Important considerations. Disabling Amazon Sidewalk means you'll lose access to the extended network and community finding features. You won't be able to locate lost items through the shared network. Privacy experts recommend that users with concerns about data sharing should opt out as quickly as possible. The choice is yours, but now you know exactly how to disable Amazon Sidewalk if you decide that's the right choice for your privacy needs.